Hi, I'm Nikki from Autom8 Now. My aim with this YouTube channel is to help small businesses by making software and social media easier. Each week, usually on the weekend, I'll be putting up tips on how to use your software or do reviews and expose you to new software that may help your business lives be a little easier. It's a community, so I will be responding to comments or questions in the comments section, and I ask you to please share those tips and knowledge to help other small businesses to learn these tips as well. To make sure you find out about the new videos on YouTube, subscribe to my channel button and click on the bell beside it to make sure you're notified. If you have joined through the Autom8 Now Facebook page, then follow that page and choose the follow first option to ensure you get my tips showing up in your news feed. I also have a sister site on Facebook called Nikki Tech Tips, where I give tips for iPhones, Facebook and apps. Check it out too. I'm hoping you find the tips helpful. So let me know if you do, or if you have suggestions on areas where you might need help along the way. Now don't forget to subscribe and welcome to the group.